Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited at Minion Blast. For directions to the nearest designated smoking area, please see a villain cop TV.
The all-new Illuminator X. 5D technology to give you 5 times the damage. Waterproof, fireproof, and laserproof. Fingerprint-resistant coating, so you never get caught. Holds up to 10,000 rounds and 10,000 songs. The Eliminator X. From rotten, evil to the core.
Everyone who's anyone from anywhere is here inside VillainCon. But the question on every fatty's lips is who will be the new member of the Vicious Six? Bribes, kickbacks, villains will do whatever it takes to get the gig. Luckily, here at VNC, we've obtained an exclusive message from the V6 themselves. Let's take a look.
Attention, evil doers. The Vicious Six is giving you a chance to show your stuff right here at VillainCon. We're looking for the worst, most destructive villain to join our crew. Want that to be you? Well, whoever scores the most points will be our new member. Are you fast enough for stitches? Collaborate up for Jean-Claude. Shopping up for Nicholas. Wild enough for Stronghold. And groovy enough for me. Pick up your Eliminator X and show us how much destruction you can do. Can you dig it?
Unbelievable! You lucky stiffs have the chance to compete and become the newest member of the Vicious Six! Oh, I want to be you! And you get one of these, an Eliminator X from Rotten. They're sold out everywhere, but the V6 has them. Plus, everything in sight to score points and win the challenge. All right, let's go live to the floor and see how the attendees are reacting.
That's a growing mother of three, it's hard not to dream about giving your family everything. Except a shot of joining the Vicious Six. Mama's gonna snatch that victory right out of their little hands because dreaming is as close as they're gonna get. Don't worry, Pinky. Mama's not gonna let you win either. She's not. You're bad.
Me? Join a film group? I don't do the whole ensemble thing. What? I didn't realize it was the Vicious Six. Forget everything I said. I was in.
As you can see, it's going to be one tough competition. Stay tuned to VNC for the latest updates. will be spread throughout the challenge rooms. These will require new modes in your blaster. Fire, electricity, and maybe even a few surprises. There's other benefits to working together every now and then. But remember, there's a limited spot of the reset, so ultimately it's every villain for themselves. Hey, I'm here. You want to blast a few of these guys while you're in there? I wouldn't stop you.
Hi there, I'm Connor, the VillainCon mascot, here with some important safety tips. This is a handheld blaster challenge along a moving walkway that includes loud noises and low lighting conditions. Do not take part in the challenge if you are prone to motion sickness and dizziness or have sensitivity to strobe effects. Don't attempt the challenge if you've recently had surgery or other conditions that may be aggravated by this attraction. Experienced villains must supervise their little henchmen at all times. Any henchman under 48 inches must be accompanied by an experienced villain. No handheld infants are permitted. To enter the challenge, carefully step forward onto the moving walkway. For your safety, please remain standing on the moving walkway at all times. Do not run, walk, or fly from your assigned spot. And take extra care when wearing softer plastic shoes, such as flip-flops. Please secure all loose articles or leave them with a non-rider. Push the button to blast at objects. Press the barrel button to fire a more powerful secondary blast and really cause some destruction. Hold your blaster close while aiming at objects. Do not swing your blaster or extend your mechanical arms away from your body. Moving off the spot will cause your blaster to stop working. Always follow VillainCon staff instructions and ask for assistance if needed. And no excessive celebratory hand gestures while holding the blaster. Happy blasting! May the worst villain win!